This is my 2013 Honda CR-V. The backup camera is all foggy. When you look at the display, it's all distorted. You can't see anything. So I bought a new camera. They're pricey, over $300, but I think it's worth it. To get into this tailgate back here, you have to take this piece of trim off here. There it is. It's held on by those green catches. And then these side panels right here, there's two of those, of course. They're held on with those green clips. And then you have to take off the big panel that covers the bottom part of the door. And that snaps on with green clips also. There's some of them there, but in the bottom, the place where you grip it to close the door, there's a screw down in the bottom there. I don't know if you can see it very good, but there's a screw hole. That screw has to come out. And then there's clips on the top of this, right there. You have to push those down from inside. You can separate the top of this, and then you can reach your hand in the side, push those tabs down, that pops right out. And then you're left with the camera being up here. This is the connector for the camera. This is the connector in the vehicle right here. To get that out, there's a little tab right where my thumbnail is. Push that tab down and pull back, and then this comes right out. This is part of the camera. So now if we go up here, this is the camera here, and to get it out you have to remove this piece of trim, and you can see the white, hold on, you can see the white clips. And the important thing to note here is that out on the ends there's these little 8mm screws that go in right there and into the trim. So you have to take these little bolts out there, 8mm. Then this piece comes off, and now you have access to the camera hole. You can see the orientation of the camera. This is the new one. And there's a clip right there. This has to slide under this piece of metal right here, like this. And then there's a tab right here, and that pushes in and then locks. And be very careful when you do this, because this tab is very fragile. You don't want to break that, otherwise you'll have to glue this in. So this goes in that way. I'll put it in a minute. And then you plug in the plug right here. And then you just put the trim back on. That's pretty easy. So, I hope this helps you. Good luck to you.